Hi, this is Rucha and I am here to teach you Sanskrit. Today we will see 9th Standard Sanskrit of Maharashtra State Board and we will see Suktisudha part 2. Let's start with 5th shlok. The earlier shloks we have covered in part 1 of this video. I'll also give the link in the description box below. Let's start.
यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवताः यत्रैतास्तु न पूज्यन्ते सर्वास्तत्र अफलाः क्रियाः. यत्र is where, okay, tatra is there, yatra where. Now where naryastu is naryah adhik tu, okay, naryah is women.
Pujyante is are worshipped, where women are worshipped. Ramante is to rejoice or to enjoy or to be happy. Tatra is there. Devataha is gods. So, the place where women are worshipped, there gods love to be there. They are happy staying there. Gods rejoice there. And yatretastu na pujyante
सर्वास्तत्र फलाः क्रियाः.
Yatretastu is yatra adhik etaha adhik tu. Okay, so yatretastu, yatra is where, etaha is these, who? Ladies, women. Na pujyante, that is are not worshipped.
सर्वास्तत्र फलाः क्रियाः.
That is sarvaha adhik tatra adhik afalaha. Okay, that is sarvaha is all, tatra is there, afalaha is futile, that is it doesn't bear fruit. Kriyaha is actions, all the actions there become futile, they don't bear fruits, actions don't become successful there, where ladies or women are not worshipped. That means wherever women are worshipped, gods love to be there, and where the women are not worshipped, there all the actions whatever you do, they become unsuccessful. So women should be worshipped everywhere. Okay, then चातक स्त्री चतुरान पयः कणान् याचते जलधरं पिपासया सोऽपि पूरयति विश्वंभसा हन्त हन्त महतामुदारता. चातक स्त्री चतुरान, that is चातकः त्रि चतुरान. चातकः is a bird who lives drinking only the rainwater. It doesn't drink the water from rivers, from ponds, nowhere. It only drinks rainwater. So in scorching summer heat, even at that time, this bird chatak doesn't drink water. When the heat intensifies, it prays the cloud to give at least 3 to 4 drops of water. That is 3 chaturan, 3 or 4 drops of water. But what does cloud do? Does cloud give only 3 to 4 drops of water and keep mum? No, it blesses the chatak as well as the entire world with rainfall, right? The explanation goes like this. Chataka is the bird which drinks only rainwater. Tri chaturan becomes chatak's tri chaturan. Tri chaturan is 3 or 4. Payaha kanan. Payaha is water. Kanan is droplets. Yachate is ask for, to beg for, to pray for. Jaladharam is Jaladhara, the one who holds water. Who can it be? Yes, Megharaj, cloud. Pipasaya, Pipasa is thirst, and Pipasaya becomes with thirst. The bird Chatak asks for 3 to 4 droplets of water from the cloud with thirst. Sopi is Saha adhik api. Okay, Saha is he, api is also. Purayati is to give or to provide. Vishwambhasa is Vishwam adhik ambhasa. Ambhasa is with water. Sopi, that is he also, that is he too, the cloud too, provides the water. To whom? To entire world, Vishwam. The cloud blesses the entire world with water. See, Hanta Hanta Mahatam Udarata. Hanta Hanta is used for exclamation. What a wonder that means. Okay. Mahatam is very much great. And Udarata is generosity. What a wonderful generosity. Lord blesses the entire world with rain. So, such a great generosity it is. Teshatam hi vayam pancha swakiye vigrahe sati paraistu vigrahe prapte vayam panchadikam shatam. That is, Yudhishthira vadati swakiye vigrahe sati te shatam vayam hi panchasma parahi vigrahe prapte tu vayam panchadikam shatam sma. That means, see, this is a shlok from Mahabharata, and Yudhishthir is among the Pandavas, and there were 5 Pandavas, right? 5 brothers, and Kauravas were 100. Okay, Yudhishthir says they are 100 and we are 5 when the war is between us, but when the war is between us and others, we get together and become 5 more than 100. That is, we become 105. That means we should always be together within the family. We should be united within the family. We can have conflicts between us, but whenever the conflicts are with someone else, someone other than the family, we should be together. Okay? Te shatam, they are 100. Shatam is 100. He is indeed. Vayam is we. Pancha, only 5. Swakiye is between us. Vigrahe is quarrel. Sati is when. Okay, whenever the quarrel is between us, they are 100 and we are 5. Paraistu is paraihi adhik tu. Paraha is others. Vigrahe prapte. Whenever the quarrel arises, prapte arises with others, vayam panchadikam shatam. We are panchadikam shatam. That is 105. Pathaka pathakaschaiva ye chanye shastravachakaha sarve vyasanino neya yah kriyavan sa panditah. That means pathaka is a learner. Pathakaschaiva is pathakah. Adhik cha adhik eva is not written here. I'll write it for you. Then pathaka is a learner. Pathaka is a teacher. Cha is an and eva is only or itself. Ye, those. Cha is an, anye is others, and those other. Shastra vachakaha, shastra is science, the scriptures in science. Vachaka is readers of these scriptures. Sarve vyasanino neya. That means sarve is all. Vyasanino is vyasaninah. Neya is neyaha. Yah kriyavan sa panditah. That is yah kriyavan sah panditah. Sa eva panditah asti. That means, okay. Pathaka pathaka tatha cha ye anye shastravachaka santi te sarve vyasaninah neyaha. Yatah, that is because yah kriyavan sah eva panditah asti. See, this means what? Sarve is these all. Neyaha should be known as vyasaninah. Vyasaninah is they are just addicted to what? To shastra, na? Because they keep reading shastras. Yah is one who. Kriyavan is the one who takes actions, who acts. Sah is he. Pandita is a scholar. So one who acts is itself the scholar. You can be a learner, you can be a teacher, you can be a reader of scientific scriptures, these shastras. But if you do not act, you are merely the reader because you are not acting according to the scriptures. You are just reading it. So only if you act according to the scriptures, you are the scholar. If you are a learner, if you are a teacher, and if you are a reader of shastras, you should also act like what the shastras say. That's it for today. We'll solve the question and answer in the next video. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Shubham Bhavatu.